I'm doing this video kuresponda kuma comments enyu amakataura muchibvunza kuti there must be a verse for Apostle Chiwenga to say a woman must not be older than the husband. And I've got a lot of verses to prove that. But I'm just going to prove it with one scripture and then show you what you guys will say. And these are some of your comments that you spoke about MAMBO Dhuterere.
First comment say age difference ainakumbonyanyoipa is sometimes vamwe vanhu vanoshaya zvekutaura. And then here this one says nonsense, their ages are none of our business. Dai makore akakosha zvekudaro dai dzimba dziparara, chakakosha rudo. Zvine basa rei their age haina kumbonyanya kura.
Let me respond to the comments. First of all, Bible in the book of 1 Timothy chapter 2 from verse 12, it talks about the fact that I suffer not a woman to teach, but she must learn in all silence, not to accept the authority of a man. And then it goes on further to say, for Adam was created first, then Eve, who was found to be in transgression. What does this mean? What this means is that the man was created first and then the woman. It goes on further to show you that if you read in the book of Genesis chapter 2, when God said, it is not good for a man to stay alone, but I will make, what it means is the man was alone before was alone first, and then God made the woman after the man was created alone. What this means is the man had to be in existence first, and then the woman is then made out of that. Now, here is the mystery that is here. A woman is being made from the rib of the man. If the woman was there before the man was made, what it means is that where would God then find the rib to make the woman? If you follow that order. Sakatakatera order yoyo, it means that the man has always to be created first. Then the last thing that is there is, according to scripture, Christ had to die first before the church's existence. What this means is, you as a believer, you are there because Christ died already, and then you now exist. What proceeds first is Christ, and then his church. It shows you that the day Adam died, he was made to sleep. It was representing the death of Christ. And then when he woke up and found a woman. Same applies when Jesus woke up. The first person that he saw was a woman, Mary Magdalene, representative of the church. A woman who always has to be found out at the waking up of the man. That means that the man must be older than the woman. Right. Let me just show you something chino kuratidza kuti mukadzi anofanira ari mudiki murume. If you check out all the people of God in the Bible, none of them had women that were older than their husbands. Check them out from Adam, Methuselah, Noah, whoever. Only time you hear of a woman who was older than the husband, we hear this in the case of Jezebel. We hear this in the case of the woman that was the wife to the Media and Persia, in the form of, she's one who started narrating about a man called Daniel. This woman in the book of Daniel was one now explaining to the husband that there was a man who used to live in the days of your father. His name is this. He was explaining to Belshazzar only then. Now, zvinotoratidza zvega kuti zvakaiswa naMwari because Mwari haadi kuti mukadzi ave mukuru kumurume. Then let's come to the ways of nature. In the ways of nature, women tend to age faster than men. They go into menopause. Men, some of them, vanofa, they die. They can still make babies. Look at the late president, the age difference, and you ask yourself, if our president was a woman, was he going to be a father, to be a mother at the age when he got married in 1995? Definitely not. He was not going to produce enough babies. So naturally, women age faster. and women aging faster, it means that you as a man, you are going to be left with a woman that is older than you, and in the end, you are going to feel ashamed of the person. They can't give you any more kids. You are already old. She's already old, and you want kids. Get what I'm saying? So it's always like that. Men are supposed to be older than the women. Saka ndo nyaya iripo. Hapana kuvengana, kutaura chokwadi chiri mushoko raMwari. Kutaurawo chokwadi chinotaurwa nenature yatinorarama nayo. Inototiudza kutoti mukadzi anofanira kunge ari mudiki kumurume, because ndo order of precedence. I hope I've answered some of your questions.